Is there anything more frustrating than a grill that's just plain gross? Now there's an easy answer that's also easy on the environment. Non-stick grill mats from Healthy Chef Tools eliminate the need for aluminum foil and provide a clean cooking surface with no fuss. Simply place your grill mat on the grates when your heat source is ready, and you'll be set to cook your favorite foods in no time. Cook like a pro on charcoal, gas, or electric grills and create the same mouth-watering grill marks you're used to seeing. Each package contains 2 professional-grade reusable grill mats, allowing you to double up for larger cooking surfaces. Your foods will retain their natural juices better without drying out and won't fall through the grates. Sautéed vegetables never tasted so good. Say goodbye to scraping food residue off the grates and extend the life of your grill. The non-stick surface eliminates the need for cooking oil or spray. Even fish picks up cleanly with no mess. These heavy-duty multi-purpose grill mats are the perfect grill accessory for year-round healthy cooking indoors and out. Try them on your oven grates for the perfect pizza crust. Cleanup is a breeze too, with just soap and water. Order your package of 2 grill mats along with a free bonus baking and cookie sheet.